Hi, today we will discuss about Power Automate 2021 Release Wave 2 announcement. So let's get going. So there are some interesting announcements in Power Automate: 9 in cloud flows, 1 in document automation, 6 in Power Automate desktop, and 2 in Process Advisor. There's a screen and I'll show you in the tablet format and I will freeze in 5 seconds. So here you go. Alright, let's discuss about the cloud flows. The first announcement is template for your organization in Microsoft Teams. So that will be available in October 2021, and then what will happen in this one, that you will have templates within your Microsoft team for the Power Automate, and then you can create the flow from there, and then this template would be available from Microsoft or from the Microsoft partner, and from the person from your organization who have just published it into your Teams and into your Power Automate. Comment on the cloud flows and the action. It will be available in October 2021, and it will be the same as you have in Microsoft Word, and the makers can reply onto the comments, and then they can review the comment and they can delete the comment as well. Integration with team management in Microsoft Team, it will be available in December 2021. So likewise, when you create a team through the template, so you can connect the template with the Power Automate template, so that like if you are creating any welcome page or any channels, so it can have the same Power Automate with it, and it will work on the different scenarios. So consider a situation that you have many failed flow and you want to resubmit all at once. So what you cannot do that, you have to go one by one and resubmit. But in this announcement, which will be coming in January 2022, and from that you can resubmit by selecting all those failed instance and then resubmit, which is quite good. Consider a common challenge when you are using instant flow within the Canvas app. So when you try to modify the data which is going from the Canvas app to the instant flow, it's very difficult to modify, and even it's very difficult to put a formula behind that value. So now within the Canvas app you have a flow description and the parameter detail as well, so that you can go over there and then you can write the formula, so that you can combine multiple value and send it as a single value or the multiple values within to the flow. Power Automate mobile app improvement will be coming up in March 2022 as a general availability, and in this feature the user can receive notification and trigger button flows on the go, and then there is an updated modern experience for the Power Automate users on their mobile devices. So again, this is a very important announcement. Now you can roll back to a previous version of the cloud flows. What happened that in order to roll back, so it has been recommended that you maintain a solution for the Power Automate in order to, if you want to go back to the previous solution, previous instance of that Power UR flow. So in this announcement, this feature, now you can roll back to the previous version of the Power Automate, and rather than maintaining a separate solution. So you can see all those previous version, and then you can go back to the exact versions if you want to go or roll back. Again, this is a very important announcement that now you can undo the edits within your Cloudflow Designer. So as you know that if you accidentally deleted something, and if you want to undo and get back the same action, so you cannot do right now, but now in March 2022 it will be available. So there will be a button just like as you have in the Power Apps, so you can just undo it, and then it will bring back that action or the parameter if you have deleted something within your Cloudflow Designer. Now as a team you can work within the cloud flows, and you can see the real-time presence within the cloud flows, and it will be available in 2022. So now you can see like who is editing the flow, and you can then override the changes of the colleague you have of your colleagues made on that flow, and then you can save a copy of the flow as you want. Isn't it good? So there's a whole new announcement on the document automation within the Power Automate. So what I will do, I will create a separate video on the document automation. So for now, I'm just skipping this part, and we will go to the other announcement. A custom log message action will be available in the desktop flow. So what will happen then? The user can write a custom log message from the flow, so that they can see like where it is going, and if it is added out, so where it is being added, and it will be available in the December 2021 as a general availability. So now you can use the Microsoft Dataverse through the desktop flow, as you know that you can use it with the cloud flows, but with the Power Automate desktop you can use the more Microsoft Dataverse directly, which is quite a good feature, and it will be available in the December 2021 as a general availability. So the data loss prevention policy will be available in desktop flow actions. So now like two admins can create a data loss prevention policies, and then you can have the same level of data loss prevention policy as you have in the cloud flows. Like you can mark the modules as either business or non-business, or in the block categories, and you can identify the certain actions within the modules, and then you can block it entirely, and you can use the default rule for the new actions and the new modules. So it's all up to you. So there are more admin report for the desktop flow across the environment, and it will be available in the February 2022. A huge improvement in RPA and the Dynamics 365. You will set up RPA and the Dynamics 365 integration by a single click, and it will be available in December 2021 as a preview, and February 2021 in the general availability. So now all the action which is available in the cloud flows will be available in your desktop flow, and it will be available in March 2022. Now you can maintain the information backlog for managing projects and the idea within the process advisor. So as you know that every process starts with the idea, so you can maintain the basic idea and the ROI and all this information within the process advisor. So now with the process advisor, you could choose a custom attributes, and then you can then put a filter, and then you drill down to the process data to understand your process accordingly. So I will be posting other announcement in the next few videos. So I will be posting new announcement in next few videos, which will be coming up in next few days. So just stick around, and please comment below if you like this video, and subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye.